Team Girls. Do you know what it is? If you know Team Girls, you know what it is. Today we're going to be making Christmas slime.
Oh, this girl just loves making slime. I was over there trying to watch TV and she like, are we going to make this slime video? We're going to make this slime video? We're going to make this slime video? And now we finally making a slime video.
I asked her like a million times.
It's our third video today. So you're going to see us in these clothes 3 times. Okay? Because it's our third video. So here we go. I got a big bottle of Elmer's white glue.
And I'm using blue, green blue coloring.
The reason we're calling it Christmas slime is basically just because we're going to do it in Christmas colors. So she's going to be doing green and I'm going to be using red. And we're just going to pour this in.
And that's white, and white is a Christmas color.
Yeah, but we're going to make it green and red with the food coloring. And then we have Tide. We use this as our activator.
Yeah.
And we have some glitters. And
that's red.
I don't really know what these are. And some foam balls.
Well, are those open already?
Well, yeah, these are open. We've used these before in another video that you all have seen with her and Desiree, the Twin Telepathy Challenge.
And we got off with the things correct.
Right.
Without looking.
So, you ready to start?
Yeah.
My camera about to die, so one moment, okay? We're gonna be right back.
So guys, I took the top off the glue.
You did. Yeah, you did. We're back, guys. That was poor planning on my part, because like I said, we've done 3 videos today. I should have charged that battery. But we had to switch to a different camera, and now we're back.
But we just run our clothes in 3 different videos.
Right, because we did 3 videos today. So I'm gonna pour this, of course.
Whoa.
I'm gonna pour some in hers.
And put some in yours. Can I put the food
some
coloring in?
Yeah, go ahead. Ooh, I think I put it. These are gonna be some big slime.
Can you put a lot of glue?
Yeah.
Were you gonna give me all of it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my. This is a lot.
Okay. I think that's enough.
This is a lot of glue.
That's a lot. So she's gonna put her green in. I'm gonna put my red in.
Can I mix it?
Yeah. You know how to do it, girl. And I think she gonna make fluffy slime.
Yep.
That's why we got the shaving cream out.
I'm gonna make mine dark.
Make it darker.
Whoa. I'm gonna make it like dark.
Mix it, mix it, mix it. Make sure you get it good. This is glue, the smell. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good.
You said 2 different things.
It's kind of confusing, huh?
Like, what does that mean? So we're gonna post the video we did before this tomorrow.
Alright, so here's my red. You guys can see.
And here's my green if y'all can see.
Alright. So that's pretty green.
That's pretty red.
So now I think it's time for you to put
my
in some shaving cream. So just leave your spoon right there. You got it? Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Wait, what's wrong with this? Get out of them. You gave it to me.
Here you go.
Is this enough?
Maybe. Mix it up some more. I'm gonna go ahead and put some glitters in mine. I want to use green glitter so it can be red and green. Oof. Shaving cream. Anyway.
You put it on me.
So I'm gonna use some green glitter.
Look, my started right.
Yeah.
I want to use this glitter.
You do?
Yeah, the one that's in the back.
Well, let me mix this up a little.
So this is super fluffy.
It is.
Look.
Make sure you mix it up really good.
So we want to see. No more saving.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the bottom.
I see. Mix it up some more. Look at my bottom of mine. So my glitter is getting all through there. And I want to put in, I think, some of these white glitters.
Is this good?
I think so.
What is
Oh,
this?
you can't even see these. Let me open it for you.
That's standing up. I can't even see.
I can see you.
Huh? If I stand up?
I don't know. I think so. Can y'all see her? Here you go. You really can't see that white glitter, so
It's good.
mix it up and see. And I'm using some foam balls as well because I like the crunchy slime.
Ooh. I made you did that.
I like good old crunchy slime with not too many foam balls, but just enough so we get a good crunch sound. Is that
Can I
right?
put green in it?
Hmm?
I'll put this.
Yeah, you can put that in it.
Can you open it?
Mm-hmm. I might have to use my teeth again. That's not right that I had it. And I didn't break any scissors, so. Ugh, I think something got on wrong. Ugh. Ugh. I'm eating whatever this is. Yours looks really fluffy. I'm gonna put a few more of these in there. So hopefully we don't mess this slime up like we tend to do every time we make some slime. We're gonna try to do a really good job on this.
Ah, it wasn't. I did this on the old. I can even see the glitter. I can
Okay.
barely see the glitter.
I think I'm ready for some activator. Let me put some more green. Cause it's Christmas time.
I'm put some green. This needs a lot of green. This needs a lot of.
Need a lot of green. Okay. Now mix it up some more. Yours is super fluffy looking. Okay, sit down. Alright.
Can I get some golden glitter?
Yeah, use that gold, girl.
They help open
Right,
it.
I'm back. Alright. While she's putting in the gold, she's almost ready for activator 2. But I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in. I pour a lot in the cup so we can share. But I'm just gonna pour in a little bit at a time because I don't want to put too much in it. So I'm gonna stir that up. And it's like as soon as you start mixing it, you can see it working. You can see the slime forming. You gonna put balls in your fluffy slime?
I want it to be fluffy, crunchy slime.
Well, that don't even make sense. Personally, I think when she do these type of signs, she put too much stuff in it. But it's hers. I told her she could put whatever she wanted in it. Alright, I'm gonna put a little, it's just like too much to go right ahead. I'm gonna put a little bit of more in there.
Whoa. Look. Look.
It's looking good, girl.
Okay.
It's coming together quite nicely. See?
Look.
A bubble.
That's enough.
Yeah, just go ahead and start mixing it. That way we don't put in too much.
Because then it will go hard. How's yours already coming into slide?
Yours is too. Uh-oh.
You hit me in the face. You ever hit me in the face.
Oh! Really?
It's glue on here.
A little bit at a time. That's okay. It probably came off my finger. So although I'm trying not to get my hands dirty, it's gonna happen, I suppose. I guess I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty.
Oh.
Mix it up, it's okay. I hate the part where it's like, okay, the spoon's not gonna work anymore. It's time to put our hands in. I hate that part.
Because she don't like to get her hands dirty.
I don't. But that, honestly, it seems to be the best way. Unless you have like some type of mixer you can use. That honestly seems like the best way to really mix your slime. Use your hands.
It's not ready for that.
I think mine is. I don't think yours is. You
But
might need some more activator.
All of it.
Ooh.
Okay, think I see use my hands?
I think you should mix it a little bit more first. So you don't want to make too much of a mix, because guess who have to clean that up?
You. Mine's already look like slime. Do you think it's time for me to use my hands?
Do you think so?
This actually, mine seems like it's slime now. Ugh.
I got a lot at the bottom of yours. A lot of people are just really good at making slime.
Just like I am.
They made entire careers out of it. And I just don't, I just feel like mine
Mine's super big.
never comes out the way that I want it to. Hers is looking better than mine.
Yours is like
Mine is seeming really stiff.
but it's still really fluffy.
I guess it got some stretch.
How did yours get stretched so fast?
Mix it up good, girl. You know how to do it.
How do yours look better than yours? This. Yeah.
Play with it. Knead it like dough. Isn't that right, y'all? Knead it like dough. Knead it like dough. Well, this is mine. Let me show y'all mine while she's kneading. While she's kneading hers. It's red. It's got.
It looks like it's a pig.
Yeah, I guess. But it's got green sparkles and glitter. And
I put
in it.
a whole bunch of glitter.
And I'm not gonna play with it that much. It really ain't that bad. I guarantee you, she gonna end up playing with mine.
Yep.
Let me try to mix yours up some more.
No, I got it.
You sure?
I'm trying to get the rest of this
I
side.
think you need to work with that first and get it to come together. Let me see. It's looking real stringy like, and I don't want it on my floor. Cause you put too much. It's feeling really soapy.
I think it's never gonna come to slimy with.
I think it is.
Mama, make bubbles with it.
I know. Let's make a. Sit down. Let's do it with a smaller piece. Oh, you dropping it? Oh, you're not being the water.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mommy.
Hmm?
While you was asleep, I was watching. Oh no, our table is broken.
Oh no!
Our table. It's broken.
You like that video, don't you?
But I watched when it's SpongeBob and SpongeBob said it.
Really?
But someone really just fell down the stairs and then it made the noise.
Oh my goodness.
And he said, "Oh no, our table is broken."
Look, that one came together. Now, you play with that some more. And I'll work with this little piece.
How are we gonna make a bubble with it?
I don't know.
How do we make a bubble with it?
You want to do it right now? Please don't whine about it.
How do we make a bubble with this?
It's not time yet. It's not ready. It's not ready to be made a bubble with.
I want to put it yours.
Oh, less than 5 minutes later. We gotta clean this mess off the table. Cause I don't want you getting yours mixed up in mine.
How about you put 5 hours later?
Not even 5 minutes after I said that, did she say, I'm gonna play with yours.
What about
I
this?
think you can make a bubble with this.
Huh?
Look. Oh, that's one. Okay. So this is
Clean
because
this up! Clean this up! Clean
It's
this up!
such a
Clean
drama
this up! Clean this
all right,
up!
come on, let's close the video out and let's show your slime.
No!
What?
I hate this.
It's a good slime. I think that one day we're gonna have to come back and show y'all what this slime ends up being.
It's gonna be ugly.
No, it's not, because look at this piece. This is a good piece of slime.
I wanna play with it. Give me it.
So, and y'all saw my slime. It's been over here resting. I don't want to touch it right now because then I'm going to mix her terrible slime. I'm just playing with my slime. But the slime I made is pretty much hers because she's going to play with it. And
because I hate mine.
I don't hate yours. I think it's good.
I hate it.
Well, you got to come tell them what you want them to do. And well, she want to wash her hands first. Now, I'll come on and tell them. Make sure they do what?
Subscribe
Crazy self. like to see you. Now, what you want them to do? Subscribe and hit the thumbs up, she said. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for Vlogmas, whatever day this is, because we forgot. And we love y'all. Keep watching. She said 7, 2 videos ago. Keep watching the videos and keep liking and subscribing. We love y'all.
No, this is actually Vlogmas Day 9.
Okay. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace it out.
Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more Team Girls videos.